Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of portable audio with the Sony SRS-XE300 Bluetooth speaker. In an era where we're always on the move, finding a speaker that combines portability, durability, and exceptional sound quality can be a challenge. That's where the Sony SRS-XE300 comes in, promising to elevate your audio experience wherever you go. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out in this comprehensive review. Design and build quality. Right off the bat, the Sony SRS-XE300 catches your eye with its sleek, modern design. This isn't your typical boxy speaker. Sony has opted for a unique oblong shape that's both stylish and functional. The speaker comes in three colors: black, light gray, and blue, allowing you to choose one that matches your style. The build quality is nothing short of impressive. With an IP67 rating, this speaker is not just water resistant, it's fully waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. This means you can take it to the beach, pool parties, or even camping trips without worrying about damage. The rubberized exterior not only adds to its durability, but also provides a nice grip when you're carrying it around. Weighing in at about 2.2 pounds, it strikes a nice balance between portability and sturdiness. It's not the lightest speaker out there, but it's certainly not cumbersome either. The compact size makes it easy to slip into a backpack or beach bag. Sound quality. Now let's talk about what really matters: the sound. Sony has equipped the SRS-XE300 with their X-Balance speaker unit, and boy, does it deliver. The audio output is clear, rich, and surprisingly powerful for a speaker of this size. The bass response is particularly impressive. It's punchy and deep without being overwhelming, adding a nice thump to your favorite tracks. The mids are well balanced, ensuring vocals come through crisp and clear. The highs are bright and detailed, though at maximum volume there can be a slight hint of harshness. One of the standout features is Sony's line-shaped diffuser technology. This spreads the sound wider, creating an expansive soundstage that's perfect for outdoor gatherings. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, rock, classical, or podcasts, the SRS-XE300 handles various audio content with aplomb. Features and functionality. The Sony SRS-XE300 is packed with features that enhance its usability. Let's break them down. 1. Battery life. Sony claims up to 24 hours of playtime, and in our tests, it came pretty close, lasting about 22 hours at moderate volume. That's impressive and means you can enjoy a full day of music without worrying about recharging. 2. Quick charging. If you're in a hurry, a 10-minute charge gives you up to 70 minutes of playtime. Perfect for those last-minute beach trips. 3. Bluetooth 5.2. This ensures a stable, low-latency connection with your devices. The range is excellent, maintaining a solid connection even when your phone is in another room. 4. Party Connect. You can link up to 100 compatible Sony speakers for synchronized playback. While most users won't need this many, even linking 2 or 3 creates an immersive audio experience. 5. Sony Music Center app. This companion app allows you to adjust EQ settings, manage connections, and update firmware. It's user-friendly and adds another layer of control. 6. USB-C charging, a welcome feature that aligns with modern device standards. 7. Microphone. There's a built-in mic for hands-free calling, which performs adequately in quiet environments. Performance. In real-world usage, the Sony SRS-XE300 truly shines. At outdoor gatherings, it provides enough volume to keep a small to medium-sized party going. The sound carries well in open spaces, thanks to the line-shaped diffuser technology. Indoors, it easily fills a room with rich, detailed audio. It's equally at home playing background music during a dinner party, or being the center of attention during a living room dance session. For travelers, its durability and long battery life make it an ideal companion. Whether you're at a hotel, campsite, or vacation rental, you've got a reliable source of high-quality audio. The speaker handles different genres with finesse. Electronic and dance music benefit from the punchy bass, while the clear mids make it great for acoustic tracks and podcasts. At high volumes, there's minimal distortion, which is impressive for a speaker of this size. Positive aspects. 1. Excellent sound quality with powerful bass. 2. Durable, waterproof design. 3. Impressive 24-hour battery life. 4. Wide sound dispersion with line-shaped diffuser. 5. Versatile for both indoor and outdoor use. 6. User-friendly features like Party Connect and app control. Negative aspects. 1. Slightly heavier than some ultra-portable options. 2. No built-in voice assistant. 3. Highs can be a bit harsh at maximum volume. 4. Premium pricing compared to some competitors. Comparison. When pitted against popular competitors like the JBL Flip 6, the Sony SRS-XE300 holds its own. While the JBL offers a more compact design, the Sony edges it out in terms of battery life and overall sound quality, especially in the bass department. However, the JBL is slightly cheaper, making it a strong contender in the mid-range portable speaker market. The Sony SRS-XE300 is a fantastic portable Bluetooth speaker that ticks almost all the boxes. It delivers excellent sound quality, boasts impressive battery life, and comes wrapped in a durable, waterproof package. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the combination of audio performance and features justifies the price for those who prioritize sound quality and versatility. This speaker is perfect for anyone who loves outdoor adventures, frequent travelers, or those who simply want a high-quality portable audio solution for their home. If you're willing to invest in a premium portable speaker that doesn't compromise on sound or durability, the Sony SRS-XE300 should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Want to experience the Sony SRS-XE300 for yourself? Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this awesome portable speaker. Trust me, your ears will thank you. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality content for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.